Welcome to Distribution International's Comparing Products on CustomerConnect. If you are conducting research to compare product similarities and differences, you will find all of our insulation and accessory products on the insulation drop-down menus. You can begin by selecting the category of products you want to compare. For this example, I want to compare different brands of fiberglass pipe covering. Filters are provided on the left to assist you in narrowing down the items to the most relevant to your search. I will filter this list to 1.5 inch pipe size by 1.5 inch thickness, leaving me with 4 options: the Johns Manville, Knauf, Owens Corning, and Johns Manville Ultra product. For this example, I will not include JM's Ultra product, but want to compare the other 3 options. I simply check the compare boxes on each item and select the compare items at the top. From here, I can highlight the similarities as well as the differences between the 3 products. In addition, I can select items to remove by checking the boxes and clicking Remove Item, or use Clear All to empty it. Once I decide which product I want, I can simply click on the item from here, and it will take me straight to the page where I will find all of the detailed information and documents associated with the product. For more information on the features and functionality found on CustomerConnect, please view the other videos offered in our Help Center.